I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Candus. If we've never met before, hello, hello. I love helping business owners and bookkeepers customize QuickBooks. And I wanted to pop in and get to know you a little bit better. And I was wondering if you would help me with something. Would you mind? So I so often think you guys like what my perspective is with QuickBooks and where I'd want to go with it and what I want to teach you. And I was thinking, as I'm creating some new training and we're doing new videos and putting new things together, I wanted to see where you're at and actually what you would like. Would you help me with it? So I put together a quick little ideas, my ideas, and then I thought if you would take a moment and pop it down below, I would totally appreciate it. So I'm curious. Are you wanting when you're thinking about QuickBooks and why you want to use it and maybe why you are curious about what I teach or the videos they do, is it because you want like tax time to be easier? Maybe tax time's a little bit stressful and that's like where you're at right now and your focus. That's kind of what I'm curious about. Like, where are you at right now? Is it tax time? So we gave that a number 1. All right, put a number 1 here. Okay. 2, I'll put them all back up in a moment. 2, you're more curious about like, how does QuickBooks work? Like, I just don't get the software. I'm not able to enter in transactions incorrectly. I need like the how-tos. Like, taxes is one thing, but I just need to know how to use this thing. Okay. So that would be, if that's you, if you resonate with that, that's a number 2. A number 3 would be, I have my QuickBooks set up. I know kind of how to enter things, but I really want to, my focus or my priority, the reason I want to learn QuickBooks even more is because I want to make business decisions. And I talk about that often, but I don't know if that's something you're interested in. So I'm curious, is this your focus? Like, you really want to know how to read your reports and like take your business to the next level, optimize it. So your focus is more about business decisions. That would be a 3. And then 4 is like, it's not necessarily any of these. It's something completely different that I'm not even thinking about. Would you be so kind as to kind of let me know? I want to get to know you. I want to know, what do you need? How can I support you best? I also just want to pop in and say hi. Sometimes I just like to see you, check in. We're all humans, right? How you doing? That's it. So take a moment. You can pop in all of them. There is no judgment. I just need some feedback. And I thought, why not? Who's better to ask than you on what and how can I support you right now with where you want to go with your QuickBooks? All right. I will be looking at these. So please, please, please come say hi. Let me know which of these you feel like is where you're at right now, or a 4 and you have another idea. Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you for being part of my community. Hi, Donna. Thank you for answering. I'll come back and check them out. See you soon. Bye.